If you want to resize your image with best quality, this video is for you. Now I will give you two solutions. One is you will able to resize your image without losing the quality, and next one I will show you. So the first website is TinyPNG. So you can use any image which is less than 5 MB. So that will work good. In this website you can see up to 20 images max 5 MB each. So otherwise you have to take the pro version. From here you can reduce any image in PNG version. You will not lose the quality. And the other one I will show you. The second solution is, so if you want to reduce the size like bigger than 5 MB, so you need another solution, right? So this is the tool. This peak resize, you can select like bigger than 5 megabyte, and you can resize that without losing quality. I will show you. So this one I am showing you with this image. This image is like bigger than 11 MB. So I will resize this image. Okay, our image is uploaded. Now you can see here is your resize your picture. You will get some option here like 50%, 25%, no change, like this. And here is the resolution. So I will select 75%. I need to do it more. And here is the PNG, GIF, JPG. What do you want? Just click here. I am done resize my picture. Okay, it's done. Now the size is, here you can see like 948 KB, but it was like 11 MB or more. Now save the image. First I'm saving the image and I will show you the output. Here you can see I'm just opening the image. You can see quality is too good. It's not losing the quality also. Okay, so you can use these two websites to resize your image or reduce your image size. So I hope this video will help you. Let's see you in the next video.